Today, we're counting down 12 legendary cars that seem almost immune to breaking down. These aren't just reliable on paper. They've survived brutal weather, endless road trips, neglected maintenance, and decades of abuse from real-world drivers. From humble family sedans to unstoppable off-road icons, these machines earned their reputations the hard way. And trust me, some of the names on this list are going to shock you. And also, a quick subscribe means a lot. Number 12, the Mazda Miata. Most sports cars are ticking time bombs. Fun at first, expensive later. But the Mazda Miata broke that curse. Since arriving in 1989, this tiny roadster has quietly become one of the most dependable sports cars ever built. Its secret is simplicity. No overly complicated systems, no unnecessary gimmicks, just lightweight engineering, balanced handling, and an engine designed to keep going year after year. The NC generation especially earned praise for its solid construction and surprisingly low ownership costs. Sure, owners occasionally replace things like radiators or exhaust components, but compared to most sports cars, the Miata is refreshingly cheap to maintain. RepairPal even gives it an above-average reliability score of 4.0 out of 5, with annual repair costs around just $429. And the craziest part? Many Miatas are still running strong well past 200,000 miles. Parts are easy to find, repairs are straightforward, and the driving experience never gets old. If you want a sports car that delivers smiles without destroying your wallet, the Miata is one of the safest bets ever made. Number 11. The Subaru Legacy. Here's a car that rarely gets the spotlight it deserves. The Subaru Legacy quietly built a reputation as one of the most dependable all-weather sedans on the road. Its legendary all-wheel drive system gives drivers confidence in rain, snow, and rough conditions, while still delivering a surprisingly engaging driving experience. The fourth-generation models, especially the 2004 Legacy, became fan favorites thanks to their sharp handling, solid fuel economy, and powerful 3.0-liter flat-six engine producing 245 horsepower. But not every model year was equal. The 2005 to 2009 versions are considered some of the strongest, with the 2006 and 2007 models standing out for reliability. The 2009 model did struggle with engine issues, though Subaru refined things significantly in later years. The 2016 and 2017 models also earned strong marks for dependability and owner satisfaction. Affordable, practical, and capable in almost any weather, the Subaru Legacy remains one of the smartest, underrated choices for long-term ownership. Number 10. The Mazda 6. Some sedans fade away with time. The Mazda 6 refused to. This car built its reputation on a perfect balance of durability, efficiency, and driving excitement. Under the hood sits Mazda's reliable 2.5-liter engine, capable of delivering up to 35 miles per gallon on the highway. And if you want more power, the turbocharged version cranks out up to 250 horsepower without sacrificing long-term reliability. Its 6-speed automatic transmission is smooth, durable, and designed to minimize wear over time. Combined with responsive suspension tuning and Mazda's G-Vectoring Control Plus system, the car not only drives beautifully, but also reduces stress on components like tires and suspension parts. Mazda also reinforced the 6 with a high-strength steel frame, improving both safety and structural durability. Add in features like blind spot monitoring and lane departure warning, and you get a sedan engineered to survive years of daily punishment. With proper care, some owners claim these cars can approach an astonishing 600,000 miles. That's the kind of longevity most modern sedans can only dream about. Number 9. The Ford F-150. You can't talk about long-lasting vehicles without mentioning America's workhorse. The Ford F-150 has spent decades proving itself on construction sites, farms, highways, and back roads across the country. The 2011 and 2012 models introduced the EcoBoost V6, combining serious towing power with improved fuel efficiency. Then came the 2018 and 2019 models, featuring lightweight aluminum body panels that reduced rust problems and improved durability. Underneath it all, engines like the 3.5-liter EcoBoost V6 earned praise for their toughness and ability to handle brutal workloads year after year. J.D. Power consistently ranks the F-150 highly for durability, and countless owners have pushed these trucks well beyond 300,000 miles. The F-150 wasn't built for comfort alone. It was built to survive hard labor, and it absolutely does. Number 8. The Chevrolet Suburban. The Chevrolet Suburban isn't just an SUV. It's practically a moving fortress. For decades, families, businesses, and even government agencies have relied on the Suburban because it simply refuses to quit. Its massive size, durable engineering, and powerful engine lineup make it one of the toughest full-size SUVs ever produced. Buyers can choose between a fuel-efficient 3.0-liter turbo diesel, a dependable 5.3-liter V8, or the powerful 6.2-liter V8. And when it comes to practicality, few vehicles can compete with its enormous 144.7 cubic feet of cargo space. The diesel version is especially impressive, delivering up to 27 miles per gallon on the highway, despite the SUV's enormous footprint. Reliability tends to improve near the end of each generation, and newer models like the 2024 version continue to perform well overall. For families needing space, comfort, and long-term durability, the Suburban remains one of the most trusted names in the SUV world. If you're enjoying this countdown, make sure to subscribe, because some of the most legendary vehicles are still ahead. Number 7. Mercedes-Benz E-Class W124. Back in the 1980s and early 90s, Mercedes-Benz built cars with one obsession in mind: making them last forever. And no vehicle represents that philosophy better than the W124 E-Class. Produced between 1984 and 1995, this car became famous for being nearly indestructible. Mercedes over-engineered almost every component, from the suspension to the drivetrain, creating a machine capable of surviving decades of abuse. Many W124 models have crossed 500,000 miles with only routine maintenance. The diesel versions became especially legendary, though nearly every variant earned a reputation for incredible durability. What makes the W124 so special isn't just reliability. It's the feeling that every part was built with pride. Doors close with vault-like precision. Engines run with remarkable smoothness. Even after decades on the road, these cars still feel solid. And while the Porsche-developed 500e grabs headlines, even the standard W124 models remain some of the smartest luxury car purchases ever made. Number 6. The Toyota Camry. This is where reliability stops being impressive and starts becoming legendary. The Toyota Camry has spent decades earning the trust of millions because it does exactly what owners need it to do: start every morning and keep going year after year with minimal drama. Its 2.5-liter four-cylinder engine produces 203 horsepower, while the available 3.5-liter V6 pushes out a powerful 301 horsepower. Both are engineered for durability and efficiency. Combined with a smooth 8-speed automatic transmission and Toyota's proven front-wheel drive system, the Camry delivers one of the most stress-free ownership experiences in the automotive world. Fuel economy is excellent too, reaching up to 39 miles per gallon on the highway. And safety systems like Toyota Safety Sense add even more confidence behind the wheel. But the real magic is longevity. Properly maintained Camrys have been known to surpass 600,000 miles. That's not just reliability, that's automotive immortality. Number 5. The Honda Accord. There's a reason the Honda Accord has become one of the most respected sedans of all time. It's a car built to quietly outlast almost everything around it. Accord owners regularly report mileage numbers that seem unbelievable, with many cars sailing past 300,000 miles while still running smoothly. The formula is simple: reliable engines, durable components, excellent fuel economy, and a design focused on practicality rather than gimmicks. Inside, the Accord offers a spacious cabin with enough room for passengers and cargo alike. On the road, it delivers a smooth, composed driving experience, whether you're commuting across town or crossing entire states. And unlike many cars that become nightmares with age, the Accord keeps maintenance costs relatively low, even as the miles pile up. It's not flashy, it doesn't beg for attention, but when it comes to long-term dependability, few cars have earned more respect. Number 4. The Toyota 4Runner. Some SUVs are built for shopping malls. The Toyota 4Runner was built for survival. Its body-on-frame construction gives it the toughness of a truck, allowing it to handle rough terrain, brutal weather, and years of punishment without falling apart. That's why so many owners keep their 4Runners for decades. Many have crossed 300,000 miles with surprisingly few issues. A huge part of that reputation comes from Toyota's legendary engineering, including engines like the famous 22RE, widely considered one of the toughest engines ever built. Inside, the 4Runner offers plenty of space for passengers and gear, while the V6 engine delivers enough power for both highway driving and off-road adventures. And unlike many SUVs, it holds its value incredibly well over time. If you want a vehicle that can handle almost anything life throws at it, the 4Runner is one of the safest choices on Earth. And yes, The top three somehow get even crazier. Number 3, the Toyota Land Cruiser. Few vehicles on Earth have earned the level of respect commanded by the Toyota Land Cruiser. This SUV became a global legend by surviving conditions that destroy ordinary vehicles. Deserts, jungles, mountains, war zones, the Land Cruiser has conquered them all. With proper maintenance, these machines can last hundreds of thousands of miles, and in some cases, even reach the million-mile mark. That's why over 10 million Land Cruisers have been sold worldwide. Yes, they're expensive, but owners will tell you the price makes sense once you experience the durability firsthand. Maintenance costs average around $800 annually, which is surprisingly reasonable compared to many luxury SUVs. And with reliability scores consistently ranking among the best, the Land Cruiser has earned its place as one of the toughest vehicles ever made. Whether crawling over rocks or cruising comfortably on the highway, the Land Cruiser feels unstoppable. Number 2, the Toyota Sequoia. For families needing space, comfort, and bulletproof reliability, the Toyota Sequoia has become one of the most trusted SUVs on the market. Since its debut in 2000, the Sequoia steadily built a reputation for lasting far longer than most large SUVs. Models from 2009 onward became especially respected, thanks to improved ride quality and fewer long-term issues. Its reliability ratings remain extremely strong, and annual maintenance costs are surprisingly reasonable for such a large vehicle. Even better, major repairs are relatively rare. But what really makes the Sequoia special is how effortlessly it handles family life. Long road trips, carpools, towing duties, harsh weather, it takes it all in stride. And many owners keep driving these SUVs well into the hundreds of thousands of miles. For a vehicle this large to be this dependable is honestly remarkable. Number 1, the Lexus LS 400. And finally, we reach the king of automotive longevity, the Lexus LS 400. When Lexus launched the LS 400 in 1989, it didn't just challenge luxury cars, it completely changed the industry. Because while European rivals focused on complexity and prestige, Lexus focused on something almost unheard of in luxury vehicles: absolute reliability. Its silky smooth V8 engine became legendary for durability. Auto journalist Matt Farah famously pushed his LS 400 past 1 million miles, proving just how overbuilt these cars truly are. But the LS 400 wasn't only durable, it was refined. Whisper-quiet cabin, smooth ride quality, timeless styling. And unlike many luxury sedans, ownership costs stayed surprisingly manageable. Even today, owners regularly report minimal issues despite decades of driving and staggering mileage numbers. That combination of comfort, engineering, and longevity is what makes the LS 400 one of the greatest luxury sedans ever created. And honestly, one of the greatest cars ever built. That wraps up our list of 13 cars that seem almost impossible to kill. If you enjoyed the video, subscribe for more legendary car content, reliability rankings, and hidden automotive gems most people completely overlook.